Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
You are treating 31-year-old woman with danazole for endometriosis. You should warn the patient of potential side effects of prolonged treatment with medication. When used in the treatment of endometriosis, which of the following changes should the patient expect? So here we have used danazole. Danazole, when used for endometriosis, it causes endometrial atrophy. So danazole will result in lighter or absent menstruation.
thank you and thank you for watching.